We're talking about the real, famous, real from, yo, let me tell you something. We're talking about dancing it's not all about just dancing, right? It's about feeling the music, feeling the words of the song, feeling the beat and the rhythm, you understand? Not just dance and dance and dance. So right now, we're taking it to your real, famous, real deal. Dance day, real. Come on. Come on. It's about feeling. The leader is. Come here. Let's touch that. Let's shake it. Oh my God. She's so beautiful. Come on. Let's step back. Come on. Okay. My love for granted. My love for granted. Come on. Work for that. Oh my God. Oh, let me hear it. Access granted, girl. For granted. Okay, come on. We're going to drop with it now. We're going to. Yes, come on. Don't take it for granted. It's the real school. We're not talking about the bag of food, huh? Big up all the dancers. Big up Cosmic Andre. Right now, touring, I don't know. Right now. It's a good look. We have it on the world. Color Squad, Shakespeare, big up. Manami, all the Japanese teachers we have in the class today. Big up the nice lady, she's right here. What you see her, yeah, dancing is student. Big up each and every dancer. Ding Dong, Shelly, Delly, John Hype, Sadiki, Color. You get me? Sri Lanka big up, Refukai team, LA team, Dance JM, Latana style, first class ladies. You get what I'm saying? I don't know a famous representing, you see me? Right now, there's a lot to come. Yeah, reggae jamming. And you don't know you have a catch this on Dance JM. Where I catch the latest reggae moves. You get me? Not only dancehall, but reggae. You get what I'm saying? The latest in ska and all those things, cause we have a lot of things mixed up. So there's a lot to come. Reggae jamming. You're off to catch. I want to dance to it. Do it.